In June, we are doing our biggest giveaway ever.
Biggest giveaway? We've given away a lot of big stuff, Chris.
Biggest.
Bigger than a kegerator?
Bigger than the Brazillas.
Bigger than an X2 jacket at Conical?
Bigger than anything we have ever given away.
Nice.
This is so big, we are going to be announcing the winner at HomebrewCon. And if you can get to HomebrewCon, which you still can, you'll have extra chances to win.
All right, so you're gonna make sure you wanna subscribe to us on YouTube because we're gonna be giving some hints out on there.
And if you're not already, be sure to be on our email list.
We're also gonna be giving out hints on Instagram too, so make sure you follow us on there as well.
And once again, this is our biggest giveaway ever.
It is our biggest. See you in June.
See you at HomebrewCon.
Cheers.
Cheers. The brain just froze.